Hey friends, Miss Hendry here. We're going to look this week at creation. Genesis 1 through 13 is where you will find this story. All right, so our memory verse for this week is going to be Psalms 139:14. I praise you, for I am fearfully and wonderfully made. Wonderful are your works. My soul knows it very well. So make sure that you practice this every day, okay, guys? All right, so close your eyes. What do you see? Nothing, just darkness. That's right, guys. All right, so you can open your eyes. So, a long time ago, there were no trees, no flowers, no stars, no animals, no people, just God. God has always lived, and He looked down from His home in heaven and said, I'm going to create a world. Create means to make out of nothing. Only God can make something out of nothing. God created the heavens and earth and all the things we see. So, on the first day, there was darkness everywhere. It was very, very dark, and God said, Let there be light. And so, God did not use anything to make the light. He just spoke, and the light turned on. Can you speak and make the lights come on? No, we do not have that kind of power. But God spoke, and light appeared. God can create things with just His word. God called the light day, and He called the darkness night. This was the beginning of the world. Bye, guys. We'll pick up again tomorrow.